This is what's happening the last week of February, astrologically speaking, and this is what you need to know. Starting out on Sunday, February 23rd, we have Mercury trine Mars. This aspect will mainly influence water signs, and this will also be a really positive time for brainstorming and planning ideas. This energy is setting us up perfectly for later on in the day, where the long-awaited transit of Mars finally going direct in the sign of Cancer, as it has been retrograde since the beginning of December, will finally take place. Although there will still be some discomfort and friction because Mars does not like being in the sign of Cancer, this will definitely uplift a lot of the stagnancy we've been experiencing since the beginning of December because of the retrograde energy. Then on Monday, February 24th, the moon will move into the sign of Aquarius. This energy can promote innovation as well as inclusivity and even unexpected occurrences. On a personal note, you may feel more emotionally detached from outcomes at this time as well. The following day, on Tuesday the 25th, we will have Mercury conjunct Saturn. This aspect will heavily influence Pisces placements specifically, and this energy will encourage us to tie up any loose ends on unfinished projects, as well as make our communication style a little bit more deliberate and serious. Then we get a little bit of a break until Thursday the 27th, where the moon will move into Pisces. This is setting us up for the new moon in Pisces that we will be experiencing later on that day. After the moon moves into the sign of Pisces, but before the new moon occurs, we will have Mercury sextile Uranus. This sextile can present positive opportunities, especially in the realm of social media, and this can also be really positive energy for manifesting, specifically by speaking things into existence, as well as just for the creative experience in general. When the new moon in Pisces officially takes place, this will have a heavy influence over mutable signs, and this will have a heavy impact over our collective in terms of new beginnings and endings. The new moon energy will close out the month of February and bring us into the month of March, where the moon will then move into the sign of Aries on the 1st. This transit will provide a lot of inspiration as well as motivation, especially to cardinal signs during this time. Then finally, that same day, Venus will retrograde in Aries until April 12th, where it will officially station direct in the sign of Pisces. Although this can create a pause and time for reflection, this can also create disruption and negativity within our relationships because Venus is considered to be in detriment when it is in the sign of Aries. And with the retrograde energy in coalition with this can create an inflammatory environment. On the upside, we will only be experiencing this retrograde energy until March 27th, where Venus will then shift back into the sign of Pisces. If you want to know more about how this will be impacting you specifically, book an astrological birth chart reading with me and be sure to follow me for more astrological updates.